check it. She got an ass like a mama's, call that Julia Roberts. This pretty lady is crazy cause she addicted to drama. I'm trying to keep it romantic, I'm like Matthew McConaughey. Don't need to be a detective to figure out that she wanted. She ride around in a caddy, probably bought by her father. She loved to listen to oldies and wear her hair like Madonna. She tell her dad I'm a doctor, I think that she clueless. I only play one on TV like I'm a young George Clooney. Dog, I was destined for movies, getting better when older. You need to get that dirt off your shoulder. If you were slacking a bunch, packing it up. Got a Wahlberg flow, packing a punch. Billy Madison, I'm never packing a lunch, but I mean y'all raps, you slacking it much. I'm just a fighter, an all-American psycho rapper. I'm mini driver, these girls crazy, there ain't no after. I'm on that Casablanca, watch out homie, this is classic. My life reality.